Cool. Okay. I've got some... Okay. Seasonal allergies. So Jordan and I are going to talk a little bit for about a minute just about seasonal allergies, what are the causes, what to look out for, and then also how to hopefully help them. So Jordan, where do you usually find them?
So seasonal allergies can sort of appear anywhere. They look like hot spots. They can come up as rashes. They can be like intense itchiness from your dog, ear infections, skin flakiness. Like there's so many variations to it. Typically you find it most in their armpits, around their sanitary area, under their ears, anywhere that gets like quite hot or sticky or can be a little bit damp. You just got to keep a really good eye out there for them.
And mostly caused by like pollen, so spring, summer are good times for that, mould and mildew, and then dust mites. So that's stuff that's going to be in your furniture, carpets, all of that stuff.
Yeah.
So best way to treat it if you notice your dog is itching quite a bit?
Bath them as soon as you can. Get some really nice soothing natural shampoo on them. If it's got goat's milk in, if it's got lavender, even better. They're really nice to help to soothe the skin, pull away the irritation and the extra pollutants on their coat as well, so you can give them a bit of a reset. But bath them and just keep bathing them, I'd say every 2 weeks or so, just to keep their coat nice and clean.
Perfect. And then you can always wipe them as well when they come in for walks, right? So things are going to stick to their coat, so yeah, just a wet cloth or something over the top. Any hot spots, clean it off. Bedding,
wash their bedding, vacuum, open your windows, let your house air out, all those kind of things. Like, it's just really essential when they do start to suffer to keep on top of it and keep any allergens in the house as far away as possible.
Yeah. And then how can we work on inside stuff to help outside stuff? So gut health, do you think that's got anything to do with it? Immune health, all of that stuff. What if they're giving Apoquil? Is that something that they should be doing?
Apoquil's a tricky one. Personally, I don't recommend it. The long-term effects of it can be quite detrimental to your dog's health. However, the short-term effects obviously can help with the itchiness and the irritation. If you can stay away from it, do try different things. You've got local honey or local honey pollen, which are really good for the irritations. You've got probiotics and prebiotics to help boost your dog's gut health, therefore making them happier and healthier, which should help with external itchiness.
And that all helps with the immune system, doesn't it? I think another thing we've got to watch out for is a lot of people now will be giving flea and tick treatments, worming treatments, because it's summer, spring, summer, it's more prevalent. That can completely kind of wipe out your dog's immunity and their own immune system. So you're not just getting rid of the worms and the parasites, you're also getting rid of all the good stuff inside your dog's gut that actually helps them to fight things off by themselves. So have a little think, is there a correlation between you adding in I never know what to call tablets.
I don't know either, because they're not
medication.
Yeah.
Is there a correlation between you adding a medication into your dog's diet that has maybe caused something like an allergy or itching?
Or a flare-up, anything like that. Look at the site that you put the spot on as well. Quite often the hair will be really dead and there's usually a little rash underneath, which is an indicator your pet's not reacting to it very well.
Yeah. So we'll close up because we just want to be really quick. But another great book to kind of have on your tabletop is The Forever Dog Life. There's loads of recipes in the back of here about, well, there's recipes for building immunity, but there's also recipes for topical treatments like a pest spritz and shampoo, and also a probiotic rinse as well, which can be really good if they are itchy, to kind of just reset your dog's skin and coat, basically.
Yeah, keep them clean, keep them happy, and herbs are always the answer.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool. Hope we've helped some seasonal allergies, guys. Bye.
Bye.